The 2007 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, premium wheels, dual airbags, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.